right, we are gonna get started. Before we get started, I just have a quick question. Mm, how did the class go, guys, with Aubrey? Online students, what did you think?
I thought it was good.
Was it difficult?
I didn't think so.
Okay. Garrett says yes. Okay.
Some of the problems were confusing, but
Yeah.
she
Was she
explained them.
okay? That was my next thing. Was she able to explain like this one? Um, you may see once or twice per year this question, and this is usually in the last five level. So we cover a lot more in the advanced class there, this stuff, than here. But she came across and she like, I want to show them this problem. So all right. Um, um, go ahead and get your blue books, please. The blue ACT book, and go all the way to the test number 10 math, please. The ACT 10 book, all the way back. I have a question. Did you guys complete the test when Aubrey did this? At least till first 45 or 50 at least.
Yeah, I finished it.
Okay, yeah, I think so. Okay. I just wanted to make sure that, let's go to test number 9, math, please. Somebody tell me the page number. Okay, please, everybody open 701. You guys good? Okay. So what we're gonna do today is, we're gonna be doing 10 questions at a time, but I'm gonna set the time, okay? You may not be able to do it sometimes, it's okay, okay? So the first 10 with calculator, you have 7 minutes. Bless you. 7 minutes, first 10 questions, your time starts now.
We only do 1 through 10.
Only 1 to 10. Time's up. Is there anybody who has not done the 10 questions? Anybody? Okay. All right. Let me read out the answers. 1 to 10. CJB. GBG. EJE. And F.
How did you get number 8?
Okay, we'll work on that. So first thing is, did anybody get all correct?
I only got 1 wrong. That's 8.
I got 2 wrong.
I did.
8 was 1 wrong.
Okay. So let's get to questions. So you have question number 8. What else? Any other questions? Any other questions?
How do you solve 4?
Okay, 4, 8. Any other questions?
You do 7.
4, 7, 8. Okay. All right. You guys go 11 to 20. I'll be working on 4, 7, 8. And for 11 to 20, I'm going to give 8 minutes time. Okay? 8 minutes for the 11 to 20. Your time starts now. Okay, let's go to these three questions here. All right, so let's start with question number 4. Now, remember one thing in math, when they use the word off, like 1/5 off 16%, off 24,000, off indicates multiplication. So 1/5 times 0.16 times 24,000, you just type it in the calculator, $768 in this case. And again, I don't know who asks questions, so if you have anything, stop me so I can explain it more or better if it's not, if you need more help with that. Question number 7, absolute of 14 is 14, absolute of negative 2 is 2, 14 times 2 is 28. Now remember, I've told you guys this in the past, I'm going to remind you, every question has a certain fudge factor. What it means is if it's an easy question and you make mistake, like question number 7 was, you're gonna lose more than a point. Okay? Every question has been normalized by ACT for every test, and it's for English, math, reading, and science. So the one thing you should not be doing is to make a mistake on the easy ones. So both 4 and 5 had a pretty high negative fudge factors.
Will they tell us though, like?
No, nobody will tell you.
It won't tell us on the test either, how much point, like whether it's more than 1 point?
Nope. Nobody knows about this except the ACT.
Oh,
So that's a pretty, same thing with SAT. They keep it pretty secret how they normalize it, because it changes from test to test, question to question. That's why they believe, independent of what test you take, you should get the same score, because every test question has been normalized. So, which I don't believe it, but that's what they say. Question number 8. Remember, these two lines are parallel. So if this is 40 degrees, this is going to be 40 degrees, corresponding angles. So now the big triangle is 40, 80, 120, 60, because the sum of angles adds up to 180 degrees. Again, if you've asked the question, and if you're not sure about this, ask again. I can go through this. $11 to $20. CKA FCH
Did you say FCH?
BGD
BGD?
seriously?
I can't.
and H for hat.
Did you get it that time?
Yes. Sorry, I was just trying to like mark them the one. Okay, I did really good the first time, not the second time.
Did anybody get it all correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
7.
One wrong?
Yeah, 4 wrong.
Any questions you want me to do on the board?
Can you do 14?
Yep. 14, actually, I would like everybody to highlight 14. 14 is a very important problem.
I told you that.
I'm surprised they actually had that problem at the first 20. It's a little bit more difficult, actually. So,
So it'll be towards the end.
no, maybe 20 to 30 level. No. The last 10 are very hard.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, last 10 are pretty hard.
Can you do 15?
So 14, 15. Next. All right, you're gonna go 21 to 30. You'll have 9 minutes. Go. 21 to 30, 9 minutes. Right? Let's go to these two problems. So let's start with 15 here for a second. So what I would say for you in this thing is I would just actually type this in the calculator and the fraction mode. Do you know how to do the fraction mode? Okay. If you know it, that's what I would do. And then you match with which one, then I would do the fraction decimal and see which one matches. So it's not, let's see, 6. Hopefully I did my math correctly, but.
6 and 2 15s.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's fine. So 2 divided by 15 is 0.133. So it should be between 6 and 6.133. What's the answer? What did you pick?
I put B. That was the answer. Oh, I put B too because I messed it up around. I got
6.1333.
but I flipped them. You know what I mean?
I don't.
Said it that was the lowest it could go instead of that was the highest that it could be.
Yes. So for 15, the question they're asking here is that the total distance Jenny ran during those 2 days is within which of the following ranges, okay? So B is 6.333 to 6.5, which is, this is 6.133, so this should be C, 6 to 6.33 range. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I thought, maybe you'd had that. I don't know why they would give something like that, but this is an important one, so really important one. Open page 15 of the math packet, please. '15 of the math packet. All the way at the top, there is a formula. A plus B square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. One of the most important equations in algebra. So that's what or you can just FOIL it separately if you want. So what I did was I used that formula. So A square plus 2AB plus B square, which is equal to, this is what they had given. So what I did was I matched the like terms, x squared and the x squared cancels, r squared and r squared cancels. So you're left with 2rx and 22x. So they should be exactly equal because it's an equal sign here. So the x and the x will cancel. So you're left with 2r is 22, r is 11. So this is what we call matching like terms. And this is very important question, not only for ACT, in college, and you're gonna get some problems like this. Sounds good? I would like every student in the class to redo this problem, please. Go ahead. I would like you to redo this problem again. This is important. 21 to 30. BFE. HBK. EHB. K.
Can you repeat those? You cut out for me.
For all of them or the last one?
All of them.
Okay. All right, Maria, gotcha. BFE, HBK, EHB, K. Did anybody get all correct?
No, that was my worst
I
one.
got 2 wrong.
That was my worst one out of the 3.
One wrong?
But I think I know what it is.
Okay. Which one should you need help on?
You go for 30. Did you get that one wrong too?
For 30, did you guys plot the graph? Okay, get your calculators. Plot the graph. So if you know how to plot, if you don't know how to plot the graph, let me know. If you have a calculator, graphing calculator, to the top left there's y is equal to. You should type for y1 3x plus 4, and for y2 you should type in 2x plus 6, and on the top right there's a graph button. If you click on the graph, you'll see these two should interact with each other somewhere. Question is, when they interact, what is the y coordinate of the intersection point? And if you don't have the calculator, this is what I would do for 30. Y is equal to 3x plus 4 and 2x plus 6, okay? So what I would do is, when they meet together, right? When they meet together, that point is same to both the lines. So that means this is equal to this at the point it meets. So x is equal to 2, but they didn't ask for x, they asked for y. So I'm just going to take and plug it here. Y is equal to 2 times 2 plus 6, 10. Sounds good? Either you graph, which is what I would have done, or you do this. All right. Somebody asked question number 23. Can I get a small piece of paper? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna. I don't know this paper for
One of these.
just a little. You know, sure. Give me paper. Who cares? Right paper, then. All right. So the question they're asking in 23 is, what is the coordinate? What are the which of the following are the coordinates of R under a 90-degree counterclockwise? Okay, I want everybody to listen to this. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw here. R is, where is R? Okay, somewhere here. Okay, R is -1, 5. Okay, you all see this? Okay. So remember what I want you to do in the real test. This is exactly what I want you to follow. So they're asking you to do counterclockwise, okay? So this is clockwise, this is counterclockwise. So you're asking for a counterclockwise 90 degrees. Look at this. This is the plane of rotation. Now this is 90 degrees, right? Where did the point R go? Now first, second, third, right? So -5, -1. This is exactly I expect you to do in the real test. And I would not hesitate to do this. Any rotational problem on the origin or on the vertical axis, you start with the main quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, then whatever they want, they just rotate it here. If they want 180 degrees, you continue this. Now it will be in the fourth quadrant, 1, -5. Cool beans? Okay. Cool beans. Sorry, just wasted one paper.
Oh, it's all right. I got a bunch more.
Anything else? I would like you to highlight this question 14 in so far and question 23, the one we did on rotational. These two are important.
Which ones you said?
14 and 23. I hope you guys been doing the homework. April's test is coming less than a month. You got to put in the effort. Have a good day and see you later. Bye-bye.